Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to create group chat in messages in Samsung Galaxy A17. If you're using A17 and now you want to create group chat in your messages app, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your messages app and here just tap on this message icon in the bottom right corner. Tap on it and here just select create group and here you must have to add members and I'm going to add this one. Just select that and here just select the second number just like that, and here you can easily select different numbers. I have selected these numbers. Just tap on next option and here you must have to enter a group name. Let's say I'm going to enter this one. Just enter that, then tap on done. Once you have that, you must have to, you can see, to message this group, add your own number. You must have to add your own number here. As here I have added my number. Just tap on OK, and now you can easily message in group. And I'm going to send, I just send that. So that's how you can easily create group chat in your messages in Samsung Galaxy A17. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.